Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MTN connectivity. And this video here, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how we eventually install our new MTN FiberX, as the name implies. So right here, you can see the package right here. These are the things that come with this particular MTN fiber right here, and the engineer is also here to do the installation. So please, can you please show us your face, engineer? So this is the MTN official that want to do the installation, and we want to do the unboxing of the cable wire, and likewise the package of the MTN X fiber. And now to start the unboxing of the cable, you can see the router that come with it right here. So let us unbox, and these are the things that come with this particular MTN fiber right here. So you can see the router right here. So it's MTN fiber, and let's see other things that come up with it. And it come with this cable right here, and it come with charger. I think it's charger. Okay, so these are the package, and then including the wire right here. So let's not forget, before we proceed with the proper installation, so if you find it difficult to do this installation for the payment and every other thing about this particular installation, I'm going to put the engineer that do this thing for me in the comment section of this particular video. You can reach out to them, or better still, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. This is the face of the engineer right here. You can talk to them. Yeah, that's all. We don't need the full installation of MTN fiber connection and everything. Oh, yeah, that's all.
Hello, people. It's good to have you here. Okay. So if you are interested in becoming a partner, a customer with MTN FiberX, you can contact us. Okay, so if you want to be part of the MTN FiberX family, my phone number will be dropped in the comment section, or it will be inserted on the screen, so you can contact me directly. We'll be expecting your call. MTN FiberX is the best in town. So
All right, so at this point here, we want to activate MTN FiberX, just like what you see right here. So the activation is going on right here. So right now, the MTN fiber has been successfully powered. The next thing we want to do now is to completely activate the MTN FiberX, just like what you see right here. We are about to activate the MTN fiber right here. So we are activating it from phone right here, just like what you see right here. Now, just like what you see right here, the MTN fiber has been successfully activated, just like what you see right here. So at this point here, MTN Fiber network is ready for use. So we want to see how we can simply connect this MTN Fiber to Smart TV. So let's see.